Alright guys, it's your girl shayskyler and I'm back with a new video. So today
she's doing a DIY all by herself because she's doing it.
Alright guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a DIY. I'm gonna be doing, what is that
with
called?
My baby girl.
I'm gonna be doing some paint here at the bottom section of my, I guess, counter or like building. I don't know what you want to call it, but here, okay. It's gonna be the new thing that's in where you take the tape and you make different shapes and then you paint it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the paint that I'll be using. First, I'll show you the color, and I went to Lowe's and I spent like 35 bucks. I'm using this dark color gray here and then this lighter color gray here, so only 2 colors. I did get 2 quarts of paint, so because it's not a large section. I also purchased this tape, and the tape was actually on sale for like $1. It is by Scotch, so I'm gonna be using this to make the shapes on the wall. I also purchased these brushes. There's 3, and for all 3 of these, this was about $5. And I purchased 2 of these trays so we can paint on, which is here. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. What I'm gonna be doing now is just trying to figure out what shapes I want. They're gonna be triangles, and I'll insert a picture here of what I'm looking for. So yeah, let's get set up. All right guys, so these are my shapes. All right. So now we're gonna get ready to paint, okay? So dark shade shouldn't go next to light shade, so we'll be doing dark, light. And yeah, let's get this thing started. All right guys, so I'm done with this half. I had to add like more little triangle square things due to the fact that I didn't want the light so close to the lights and the dark so close to the dark, so I wanted light, dark. So I added like a few more tape pins. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I have finished. So now I'm just going to let it dry. And once it finishes drying, then I'll remove the tape. Alright guys, so it's dry. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the tape. And I see areas that I can like fill in paint, but I'm gonna take the tape off now. Hey guys, I'm all done. Thanks so much for watching.